Okay, number 80, there's two people on a diet, and the first one currently weighs 105, right here, and they're gaining 2 kilograms per month. The other person weighs 130, and they're losing 3 kilograms per month. And then it says, how many months will they weigh the same? So first, we need let M represent number of months, right? So then I would say Apollo, right? Let's write an expression for Apollo. Apollo is 105 plus 2 per month. And Zeus, guess we're doing Greek gods today. Zeus weighs 130 but is losing 3 per month. And they want to know when these would be equal. So 105 plus 2m equals 130 minus 3m. Okay, so when are these equal? So I add 3m to both sides. I get 105 plus 5m equals 130. I subtract 105 and I get 5m equals 25. And I divide by 5 and I get m equals 5. So you would say in 5 months. When would they be equal? They would be equal in 5 months.